go get the bucket in the box stall. Where's the bucket? Yeah, there you go. Bring it here. Bring the bucket. Super. Thank you. Good boy. Very good boy. Skid, come here. Bring the bucket. Go, puppy. Good. Sit. Oh, dropping it at my feet. Good. Get the bucket. Bring it here. That's a good puppy. Thank you. So good. Skid, come. Bring the bucket. Come. Skidboot, come. Good boy. Good boy. Good job, Skid. Good job. Can you bring the shovel, Skid? Can you bring it? You gotta knock it over first. Yeah, push it down. You gotta push it. Yes, good boy. That's right. Good boy. Push it down. Yes. Yeah, you gotta push it down. Keep trying. You can do it. Bring the shovel. Bring it. Yes. Knock it over first. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, keep pushing it. You'll get it. I know, it's stuck in the snow, huh? Yeah, bring it here. No, bring the shovel, Skid. Focus, Skid. Good. Yeah, you gotta knock it over first. No, you gotta push it down, Skid. Go get the shovel. Go get it. Good boy. Yes, there you go. Good job. Oh, so smart. You can do it. Push it down a bit more. Oh, so good. Yeah, you can do it. Bring it here. Yes, bring it here. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Bring it here. You can do it. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Oh, you're so good. Bring it here. Oh, good job, Skid. Good job. Super. Thank you, Skid. Bring the shovel, Skid. Good job. Bring it here. This way. Take the short way, Skid. This way. Yes, good job. There you go. Good boy. Super. Good job. You get it through the gate? Oh, that's very good. Good job. Soupy. Bring the shovel, Skid. Come. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Good boy. Come on. So good. Oh, you're a superstar. Good. Good boy. So good. Thank you. Hi, puppy. You want to bring the shovel for me? You gonna bring it? Okay, let's go. Bring the shovel. Good job. Oh, you're so fast with that shovel. Good job. Thank you. Please, go get the bucket. Over there, go get the bucket. Go get it. Good boy. Bring it to the barn. That's a good boy. Bring it here. Yeah, you can do it. Oh, so smart. You got to turn it around. Yes, there you go. Bring it here. Come here. Bring it here all the way to the barn. Super. Thank you. Good boy. Very good, Skid. Good boy. Yeah, go get the bucket. Good boy. Bring it here. Quick. Yes, come on. Come on, Skiddy. Oh, you're so good. There you go. You got it. There you go. It's such a big bucket, huh? Let's bring it in the barn. In the barn. Yeah, right there. Over here. That's good. Right here. Yeah, bring it right here. And drop it. Drop it. Go. Go, puppy. Bring it here. Can you get it? Oh, such a good boy. Bring it here. That's a long ways. Oh, you gotta go get the bucket. Go get it, Skid. No, you're not done, Skittles. Go get the bucket. Skid, come here. Go get the bucket. That a boy. Bring it here. You can do it. So good. Go, puppy. Bring it here. Oh, go get the bucket. Go get it. Come on, Skid. Go get the bucket. Skid, come here. Good boy now. Go get the bucket. Good boy. Bring it here. So good. Bring it here. Quick. Bring it here. Go, puppy. Bring it here. Yes, good boy. Bring it here. Oh, so good. So good. No, not this way. Are you coming? Let's go. Bring the toboggan. Let's go. Come on, puppy. Good job. Okay, all the way up the hill, though. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Yeah, let's go. This way, Skid. Bring the toboggan. It's got to go all the way up the hill. Yes, there you go. Uh-oh, you lost it. Bring the toboggan. Bring it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Skid. Hurry up. Good job. Good job. Okay, Skid. Bring it here. Good boy. Come on. You're stuck. Good boy. Here, I'll help you. We gotta go check the water. You wanna go check the water? Go check the water. See if it's full. No, the water's down here, Skid. Skidboot. We're not getting horses in right now. Let's go check the water. How much is in it? Is it full? Oh, it's almost full. Good boy. Good job, Skittles. Getting a drink? Good job. Can you go close the gate? Go hit the gate. Close the gate. Yeah, close the gate. Get the rope. Pull. Yeah, go get it. No, right here, Skid. Right here. You gotta pull it down here. Down here. No, here, Skid. Here. Skidboot. Right here. Here. Okay. No, no, no. Get down. Get down. Here. Good boy. Close the gate. Yeah, close the gate. Come this way. You can do it. Pull. No, not up there. You gotta pull down here. This one. You gotta pull. Okay, close the gate. Bring it here. Close the gate. Pull! Pull! I'll help you. Get it started. Grab it. Pull. It's a little heavy, isn't it? Pull! 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 Is it too heavy? Pull! Pull! Yeah! Can you close the gate? Close the gate. Get the rope. Yeah, good boy. Pull! 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 This way. Yeah, pull. Come this way. Come. Yay! Pull! Pull. Good. That will do. Good job. Can you close the gate? Close the gate. Go get the rope. No, behind you. Come on. Let's go. Get the rope. Yes. Close the gate. Pull. Pull. Bring it here. Yeah, pull. Close the gate. Good job. Close it. Yeah. Come this way. A little more. A little more. Good. That will do.